No, it's not a wildlife channel now. I can only imagine some of the comments. Yeah, this took 2 minutes to make. I saw him again. Look at him screeching. But guess what? Either he lost weight or it's another one. So I was getting mixed up because I see them never the same size, so they're obviously more than one. And this one's smaller. It's not. It's about half the height of the other one. Maybe not quite as small. And well, here are actually the images. They're practically identical, right? You could see them there, but this one's just a lot higher. Actually, a whole chest and a head higher as compared to the post that we see there on the right. Baby hawk right there. I told you guys that there was a baby one. I talked about him on the video. I wonder if the mother hawk will land. Hey, how's it going? He's looking right at me. Sensing it. I don't want to scare him because I want him to come back. He's going to take off. I feel it. I can see him vibrating. Oops. Hi. Guess I'm not bugging him. You dancing? Hey. How's it going? Why are you bobbing your head? Oh, I can't see him. Don't forget, guys and gals, the reason why the videos are 5 to 6, 7 minutes is because I didn't get my box yet here for the cable to upload bigger formats. The cables are keeping us back from being able to upload, but coming up soon. It's in the mail. So here it is, flying away. Be watching the videos, everyone. A lot of 4K high quality tests. We're going to see the image of the moon live. UFOs also, like we've never seen them before. Thanks for watching, everyone.